Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of meal replacement shakes, and we've got a standout contender on the table. SlimFast Meal Replacement Powder, touted as one of the best options for weight loss in the market.
Now, if you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds and looking for a convenient, effective solution, you're in the right place.
SlimFast has been a trusted name in the weight loss industry for decades,
and their meal replacement powder is a game changer for anyone striving to reach their goals.
First things first, let's talk about flavor. Whether you're a fan of classic French vanilla, indulgent rich chocolate royale, or the refreshing taste of strawberries and cream, SlimFast has you covered.
And let me tell you, folks, these shakes are not just nutritious, they're downright delicious. Now, what sets SlimFast apart from the competition? Well, it's all about balance. Each serving of SlimFast meal replacement powder is carefully formulated to provide you with 24 essential vitamins and minerals, including A, C, D, E, and zinc.
Plus, with 10 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber per serving, you'll stay satisfied and energized throughout the day.
With countless success stories like these, it's no wonder SlimFast meal replacement powder is a top choice for those looking to lose weight and keep it off. So, if you're ready to shake up your weight loss journey and achieve your goals, give SlimFast meal replacement powder a try.
Trust me, folks, you won't be disappointed.
That's all for today's review.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy sipping and happy slimming.